Every ceramic flower pot begins as something simple: earth, raw, natural clay, soft in the hands and full of potential. For a flower pot, the clay must be strong enough to handle moisture, weight, and high temperatures. Before shaping begins, the clay is refined and air bubbles are removed to ensure consistency. Then the transformation starts. The clay is shaped by hand on a spinning wheel or formed in precise molds. As the wheel turns, skilled hands guide the material upward, creating curves, structure, and balance. Every detail matters. Once shaped, the pot must dry slowly and evenly. This stage requires patience. If it dries too quickly, it can crack. After drying, the pot is placed in a kiln for its first firing, reaching temperatures of around 900 degrees Celsius. In this intense heat, the soft clay transforms into hard ceramic. After cooling, glaze is applied. This liquid mixture of minerals and pigments will determine the final color and finish. Whether matte, glossy, or textured, the glaze adds both beauty and protection. The pot then returns to the kiln for a second, firing at even higher temperatures. The glaze melts, bonds to the surface, and reveals its true color. When the kiln opens, the transformation is complete. From clay to craftsmanship, from earth to elegance, this is the journey of a ceramic pot.